We're having a powder party by celebrating our first powder supplier to the show. Join us in episode 19, where Jason Partain and Kyle Petrie from IFS Powder come to talk with us about their new line of open throttle powders. We find out how their information first approach carries throughout the IFS brand of companies. We'll also talk about new tech products that will help bring changes in applications, the future for IFS, and the industry. It doesn't take long before they shock me with a bombshell announcement that will change the way you do business with them. Oh, that face I make. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.